the 19th of June 2024. This is a 4-jaw independent chuck. You can get them in 6 also. It's a Chinwu, Chinyu, and it has numbers and everything on it, and it's made in Taiwan. I don't think this company exists anymore. The quality is exceptional. It's exceptional. There, it's at a bit of a distance there, you can see it. Now, the thing about it is that you can take this chuck and you can put in irregular shaped material and fit it up anywhere you like, and then you can tighten it up. So there is a piece of square bar, you see, in it. And so you could turn that into a round end, either centrally or otherwise, any way you want it, if you wanted to turn a round piece on that. So it's an example. Now, for example, so it's hard for me to hold the camera and all, but here's a piece here of bright mild steel BMS, and that would easily fit in there somewhere or other, or a piece of it would, and you could face it and do all sorts of things to it. So it's a very, very useful addition to a lathe, is a 4-jaw chuck. And sometimes they're bolted down on milling machines to hold material, because it has 4 pressing jaws, as you can see there. So I'll not use it now because there's no point, but so we can work away. So certainly it's a useful addition. I'd say that chuck would be hard enough to find, and it'd have to fit the exact lathe. So it's a great addition if you're getting a lathe or even a second-hand one. If you look at the 4-jaw chuck, you'll know if it's not used. Now, most of the work is done in the 3-jaw chuck. So here is the 3-jaw self-centering chuck, and that chuck has a scroll and it centers, and it's most likely used. And if you're looking at a lathe and the chuck is on it, you'll know in here by the jaws how much use it got. This is still in good condition. I don't see a make easily available on this, but so those two things, the 4-jaw chuck is a very useful addition to a lathe. And this is quite heavy. This one is very heavy. I'd say it's about 40 kilos. I'd say it's heavy anyway, but that's no problem to it. Now, one of the things is, if you're putting a piece of something in this that's irregular shaped, or one side, you need to have it balanced. So if you're, for example, you put this into that chuck somewhere, you would need to make sure it's not off center. You're perfectly all right with a piece like that, but if you have one jaw away out, you need to have a balanced piece on the other side to keep the weight as evenly as possible. It doesn't have to be exact, but certainly a big piece that size there, or even a chunk of that there, even if you cut off 2 inches of that, you would want to have a corresponding piece the other side to balance it. And that's not too hard to do, because it's so easy to manipulate the 4-jaw chuck. Don't have it wobbling, because it'll wobble like blazes, particularly as you increase the speed. Okay, the other thing is, if you have one jaw sticking out too much and you switch it on, you could easily hit the lathe bed. And I have already damaged that lathe by having something lying here, and it hit it and it damaged it. But that part of the bed is not that vital anyway, because the tailstock doesn't come up that far, and the saddle runs on these two bed V's. You see that? So it's not a big problem. But anyway, that's the 4-jaw chuck, and just to let you know, the kind of things you can do, unbelievable complex work on it. And you can drill, and if you wanted to drill, for example, if you wanted to drill a hole, we say in this here, and you wanted to go, we say the hole there, I'll put the hole there, you can do that, and if you counterbalance it, and then you can drill up here on it. So the lathe is an excellent machine for precision drilling. Excellent for precision drilling and reaming. Okay, folks, that's it. That's enough. Good luck. Bye. Thank you.